Hi and welcome, I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. For today's video, I'll be participating in the Whimsy Stamps Back to School Hop and Giveaway featuring the Bookmark and Tags die set. Now the next stop is listed below in the description box. Be sure to hop along, leaving a comment at each stop for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the Whimsy Stamps online shop. For this project, I thought I would share a fun way to use the tag dies to create a quick and simple back-to-school card. Now, in my video over on the Whimsy Stamps channel, I stamped the images I'll be using in this video, and I cut those out using my Scan and Cut. You can see them here on the screen. Now, off screen, I ran that die through my die cut machine 4 times using 110-pound Avalanche white cardstock. So I'm going to quickly color the images with my Zig Clean Color Roll Brush pens while I give you a few details about this hop. You will only need to hop along, leaving a comment at each stop for a chance to win a $25 gift certificate to the Whimsy Stamps online shop. The comments close Monday, August 16th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the winner will be announced over on the Whimsy Stamps channel Wednesday, August 18th in the description box of the Back to School Hop and Giveaway video. This giveaway is not associated or affiliated with YouTube or any other company, and Whimsy Stamps is sponsoring the giveaway. So the images were stamped onto Bristol smooth paper, and as I mentioned earlier, I'm using Zig pens to color them. Now you can stamp the images on your favorite paper with your favorite inks and color with any coloring medium you prefer. Once the coloring is done, I'm going to set those aside and focus on a card base. So using 110-pound Avalanche white cardstock, I've created an A2 card base. I place the Whimsy Stamps Scratchy Plaid background stamp in my MISTI. I go ahead, make sure that it's secure to the lid, and open that MISTI up. I lay my card base down on the background stamp. I added some repositionable tape to the back, closed the MISTI, flipped it back over. Now I'm ready to stamp the background for this card, and I don't have to worry about my paper shifting. So I'm using my VersaFine Onyx Black ink to go ahead and stamp this background. Now once I have the background stamped, we'll have all the main elements of this card, and I can go ahead and start to assemble. It comes together really quick. I add mounting foam squares to the back of the colored images and mount them onto the tags. I have a 2 that I cut out of black cardstock from the Cutie Numbers Die Set, and I'm going to use that on this last tag. Plus, I'm going to stamp out back and school on this tag using the Whimsy Stamps Alphabet Mini Stamp Set, so it's going to read back to school. Once I have the stamping done, I add mounting foam to the back of each of the tags and then tie twine to each one before adding them to the card. I stamped Good Luck on the die cut label to add to the very center of the card. Now this label die is in the Bookmark and Tags die set, and I just used my VersaFine Claire red, tulip red ink for that stamping. And once I have the tags on the card, I trim the twine down, remove the release paper from that label, and go ahead and center it up on my card. Now to finish this card off, I'm going to use some enamel dots from my stash in the primary colors that I used on the card. Now that's going to wrap up my time with you. Let me know what you think about the Bookmark and Tags die set in the comments below. Remember, the next stop is linked below, and be sure to leave a comment at each stop for a chance to win the $25 gift certificate to the Whimsy Stamps online shop. All the products you've seen during this video are linked directly below for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.